In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a segment from your email campaign. If you've ever worried about accidentally emailing recent purchasers, VIPs, or people who have already responded, this walkthrough is for you. Excluding a segment helps you keep messages relevant, protect your brand experience, and avoid list fatigue. We'll move carefully through each action, so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, head to the Campaigns area of your email platform. This is where all of your marketing messages live, including scheduled sends, completed campaigns, and drafts. You'll want to work inside a draft so you can make changes without affecting any live messages. Next, open your email campaign draft. It can be a new draft you're still building or an existing one you plan to send later. Opening the draft lets you adjust recipients and fine-tune targeting before delivery. Now, go to the To section of the campaign. This is the recipient area where you define who should get the message. You'll typically see the main audience you're targeting here, along with options to refine or narrow that audience. Within the To section, look for an area labeled Do Not Send To. This is the exclusion control. Think of it as a protective filter that removes specific groups from receiving this particular email, even if they're part of your broader list. Click Select or Search Segment to exclude. This opens your segment picker and reveals everything you've already set up in your account, from behavioral segments to lifecycle groups and internal lists. Click into the search bar. Typing here helps you quickly find the exact segment you want to exclude, especially if you manage a long list of segments. Consistent naming makes this step faster, so it's helpful if your team uses clear labels like VIP, recent purchasers, or engaged last 30 days. Choose the segment you want to exclude. For example, you might pick engaged users if the message is meant for reactivation, VIP if it's not relevant to top-tier customers, or customers if you're promoting a prospect-only offer. Once selected, that segment is applied to the Do Not Send to field for this draft, ensuring those contacts won't receive this email. If your account supports multiple exclusions, you can add more than one, but be intentional so you don't over-filter your audience. That's it. By setting your exclusion in the Do Not Send to field, you're refining your targeting and protecting subscriber experience. Keep segment names clear, review them periodically, and you'll save time every time you build a campaign. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.